What's up, guys? Welcome back to this episode of Boost Brothers Garage. Today I'm going to show you my new wheels. Stay tuned. Some of you guys may already know what these wheels are. For those of you that don't, these are BBS E88s, and they may be my favorite wheel of all time. I don't know all that there is to know about these. I probably don't know half of what there is to know about these. What I can tell you is they're super light. They are true motorsports wheels. I don't even think they're recommended for use on the street because from what I understand, the barrels themselves are a little bit thinner than street wheels are, which is fine on a flat track, but potholes and expansion joints and stuff like that on the road tend to cause a problem, or can. I don't care because they're super dope. And like everything else, we just fell ass backwards into a deal to pick these up for the Cayman. So as you can see, these things are super light. So they have some track use. They're not perfect by any means. But from what I found online, we got a smoking deal on these things. Mike wanted me to push the Cayman out and do like a fitment test on there and show you guys what it would look like. But honestly, the Cayman is covered in dirt. It's too much of a pain in the ass to try to get outside to wash it, and I'm embarrassed. So I'm not gonna do that. Plus, going and putting the wheel on there without tires and on jack stands, like there's gonna be so much suspension droop, and I don't wanna do that tonight. So what I am gonna do is show them to you on the wide body 944. They don't fit perfect by any means. They are offset, custom made for the Cayman, but it will let you guys see what they do look like. They look pretty good if I do say so myself. These are true BBS wheels. Nice to have some wheels made in Germany instead of Italy like I had with the OZs. The barrels themselves, the front lip is 3-inch, the barrel is 7.5 by 18. So if you put those together, we got a 10.5-inch rear wheel. So the rears are 10.5 by 18. The fronts are 9.5 by 18. And I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm assuming that you just add the lip and the barrel together and that gives you the correct width. Some of you guys tell me if I'm being retarded. What I was thinking was I knew I needed to get a set of wheels for the Cayman. I came across these. I've always really liked them. My other option was going to try to do something like Mike did. So I figured that, this would be a pretty safe bet. I would like to get your guys' feedback a little bit. When I got the car, it had black center with chrome lip wheels on there, the Victor Equipments, and I just did not like the look. Now these are much better looking wheels, but I'm thinking about doing the centers in like the Motorsports Gold, kind of like what Mike's colors are, or I'm thinking about doing the entire wheels in a matte black. Centers in matte black and lips in gloss black, vice versa. Lips in gold, centers in black. I don't know. I'd like it to be a little bit different. I tend to not want the same thing everybody else is running around with, but leave a comment below. Let me know what you think on colors. I'm open to suggestions. I'm a little too reserved for like red or blue or something along those lines. But yeah, I'm interested to see what you guys think. That's a quick and dirty update on the Cayman. I do need to get some tires for these. Since the Cayman's gonna be more of a street car than a track car, I don't know, NT01s, RE71Rs, or maybe just go back to Pilot Super Sports because those are a great tire. That's what's on the M, and I've been having a blast with that car. It's hard to go wrong with those tires. Those of you that have been waiting for some Cayman videos are being patient. I know we're taking forever. I've been out of town with the Army Reserves quite a bit over the summer. Mike just got a new job and he's been out of town quite a bit. I think Sunday we're planning on going through all of the parts that we currently have for it and coming up with a build list so that I can start procuring all the items that we need to get the engine built. So look forward to that video. We also have a video coming for a couple of items that we got for the BMW M3 from Ray Sang. And I'm going to tell you that's some high quality stuff and I look forward to showing you guys. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.